Well, good Monday to you. I'm Buckeye TV meteorologist Mike Groenke. We are going back into the deep freezer this week, and we have some snow on the ground too. So hey, I put in the snowy Ohio State background for today. Now, it's not just the cold air we're worried about, it's the winds making it feel a lot colder out there. So that's why we have a wind chill warning in effect for Cincinnati, Dayton, and the Columbus metros. Wind chill advisory a bit off to our south. And the difference between those is really just the magnitude of how cold it's going to be. So the wind chill's getting down to -10, that's when they issue the wind chill advisory. But for us up north here, we're talking about wind chill warnings, and that means wind chills could drop below 25 degrees below zero at times. So very cold. You can get frostbite in under 15 minutes. Make sure you bundle up if you're going to have to be outside, and don't spend too much time outdoors either, because it really just is going to be dangerously cold. Now, for the remainder of the day, you'll see we have some snow on the ground here, a little bit of sunshine out there, but not too bad in terms of sky cover. For the rest of the day, we're talking about partly cloudy skies, 7 degrees at 2 p.m. Temperatures are going to slowly fall, it looks like, throughout the day. So by about 5 degrees at 5 o'clock and 3 degrees by 7 o'clock later this evening. And we're going below zero, it looks like, as we head into the overnight hours and early tomorrow morning. Let's see, the radar picture is finally quieted down after a pretty good burst of heavy snow yesterday morning. But we're all good now. We're not really expecting much more snow today or tomorrow, other than maybe a couple flurries here and there. Temperatures outside are about 5 degrees in Delaware this morning, 8 in Columbus, 9 in Newark. Like I said, going to be continuing to fall because this really cold air that's off to our north going to continue to spill into the region and even sink pretty far south. Some folks down the southeastern states, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, they could be seeing a major snow and ice storm for tomorrow and Wednesday. So some pretty crazy weather happening. I do think, though, we're going to start to warm up a little bit by later in the week. And here's the reason why. See, our weather pattern right now features a big area of high pressure over Alaska that basically has forced a lot of the cold air near the Arctic to plunge south with the jet stream down to a good chunk of the U.S. But that's going to change going into the latter part of this week. That ridge kind of shifts off to our west. You'll see we still have that cold air trying to hang on, but we're getting a little more of that warmer influence from the south as well. And so when you have the two jet streams kind of combining over our area, we are going to have to watch for some storm potential in terms of maybe some heavy rain, maybe some snow, maybe a little bit of ice here over the next week or two. So something to keep an eye on, and we'll certainly let you know here at Buckeye TV as those storm systems begin to get a little bit closer. For tonight, we're looking at about -7 for the low, partly cloudy. It'll be very windy, making it feel like 25 below zero at times, so bundle up. Hopefully we have no school tomorrow. You never know. 7 degrees for the high tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. Wind chills still down to 15 below zero throughout the day. And here's a look at your Buckeye 7-day forecast. We are going to warm up ever so slowly throughout the week. I do want to point out we're still below zero, though, Wednesday morning. Back to 15 for a high Wednesday. Maybe a few snow showers on Thursday, and then we're talking upper 30s by the weekend. Could throw some rain or snow in the mix on Saturday, but hey, at least it's going to be almost 40 degrees, and that'll certainly feel great. Thanks for watching Buckeye TV. I'm Mike Groenke.